Hobo Joe needs your help. On October 30th, 2017, a major wind and rainstorm hit southern Maine, just 3 weeks before the Maine Narrow Gauge Railroad annual Polar Express holiday ride. Many train cars in the yard were hit very hard. The roofs were torn apart and several sections were blown entirely off. The damage was extensive. Hobo Joe now wanders along the yard lost and in despair. Insurance covers part of the repair costs, and we have already begun the work to restore these irreplaceable pieces of Maine history. Help us raise the rest of the funds to complete our historic preservation efforts. Maine Narrow Gauge Railroad and Hobo Joe thanks you.